For quality building materials and unmatched support for your new construction or restoration project, turn to Tremco. Tremco is a subsidiary of RPM International Inc., a world leader in specialty coatings and sealants with industry-leading brands in more than 170 countries and territories around the globe. We're excited to bring our waterproofing products and services to the Indian market with solutions for all the critical connections of the six-sided building envelope. From the foundation to the roof, we've got you covered. For below grade, our Paraseal sheet waterproofing membranes, TremDrain line, and accessories offer superior water protection for backfilled walls and blindside applications. The polyurethane waterproofing membranes TremProof 250 GC and TremProof 20160 work for a variety of applications like below-grade waterproofing, submerged conditions, and hard and softscapes areas on plaza decks. For pedestrian or traffic deck coating applications, look to our Vulcum systems, which have tenacious adhesion, extreme impact and abrasion resistance, and remarkable chemical stability. The high-performance and flexible Dimonic 100 is an excellent choice for expansion and moving joints and as a fluid-applied flashing in rough opening perimeters. For expansion joints in sidewalks, swimming pool decks, plazas, and other horizontal surfaces, our polyurethane sealant Vulcum 45 SSL is the ideal solution. Our TremStop line of fire protection products seal critical joints and penetrations while stopping the spread of fire. If you have a joint restoration need, the extruded silicone sheet Spectrum Simple Seal, along with our Spectrum 1 silicone sealant, is perfect for fast application and long-term protection. At the roof, we have numerous long-lasting solutions for metal, smooth surface asphalt, and other roof substrates. These new construction and restoration products succeed in even the most difficult to access and vulnerable locations. They can also contribute to LEED ratings due to their high reflectivity and ability to reduce buildings' energy usage. No matter your budget, climate, or performance needs, Tremco India provides a variety of weatherproofing solutions to meet your building at any step of the process. We've already contributed to several successful projects across India, including Mumbai's CS International Airport Terminal 2. Here, Tremco's roofing system protects occupants and assets of one of India's largest engineering marvels, seamlessly integrating culture, architecture, and operational efficiency. By working alongside Tremco India, you no longer have to worry about building leakage. With our international experience, quality products, and reliable on-site support, we are dedicated to creating leak-free structures for years to come.